So much homework. I wish I had a personal assistant. Wait, I do. It's called ChatGPT. But how do I use it in the right way?
ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's your ultimate study buddy. Let's see how it can help you with homework, essays, AI images, and even jokes. First, ChatGPT can summarize long text in seconds. Just type, summarize this chapter about the French Revolution in 5 sentences.
That's way easier than reading 20 pages. Wow!
It also explains difficult topics. Try this. Explain Newton's law like I'm 10 years old.
Oh my God, it's Albert Einstein! It's Albert Einstein! Oh my God!
Oh, now I get it. It's like a personal teacher.
Need help writing? ChatGPT can draft essays, emails, and even reports. Try, write a formal email to my teacher about missing class. Or, give me an essay outline about climate change.
Wow, this makes writing so much easier.
ChatGPT isn't just for starting. It's super creative. Want a cool story idea? Type this. Give me a fantasy story about a dragon and a lost city.
That's actually a great idea for my grading class.
Or even better, let's make AI draw something. Create an image of a futuristic city in space.
No way, AI can do that too? It's amazing.
Need a break? ChatGPT can be hilarious. Ask it to roast you. Roast me like a pro.
Ouch! Okay, that was savage.
Or if you need a laugh, just ask. Tell me a funny joke about school.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I'm totally using this one with my friends.
Want better responses? Follow these smart tips. Be specific. Instead of help me with English, ask explain the phrasal verbs with examples. 2. Just follow-up questions. If you don't understand, ask ChatGPT to simplify it. 3. Double-check facts. ChatGPT is smart, but it's not perfect. Always verify important info.
Good to know. Now I can use ChatGPT like a pro.